Hello everyone. Welcome to the Computer and Microsoft Essentials course by My Free Computer Academy. This course is designed with you in mind. Whether you are a student, homemaker, retiree, or even a busy professional, this course will equip you with the knowledge you need to use computers and the three most popular office applications. First, we will cover the basics of computers and then dive into the three most popular Office applications: MS Office, Excel, and PowerPoint. We will be starting from the ground up, so no prior computer experience is necessary. But to really get some hands on experience and practice what you learn, having a computer with MS Office installed is highly recommended. The course is self-paced course and designed to fit your schedule. While you can learn at your own speed, dedicating at least 1 hour a day, 5 days a week will help you complete it in 3 months. For a faster track, aim for 6 hours a day and finish in just 2 weeks. To keep things fun and engaging, we have got bite sized videos, all between 5 and 15 minutes long. And to make sure you are retaining all this great information, we will have assignments sprinkled throughout the course, along with tests at the end of each module to gauge your progress. By the end of this course, you will be feeling confident navigating your computer and using these programs with ease. So, get ready to have some fun and gain valuable skills. Let's dive into the first module, Computer Essentials. By the way, please feel free to ask questions and post comments. We will try our best to respond to your queries within a day or two.